Hi everyone, welcome back to Law with Dunk, the Law Guy, and we're on day 23 of the Case a Day series, where at least from Monday to Friday I will go over legal cases relevant to criminal law, tort law, contract law, and the English legal system. Before I get on to today's case, I just wanted to say, always feel free to drop any case requests in the comments section, and I'll try and get round to covering them. I will cover the cases of R.V. Tabison 2000 and R.V. Brown 1993 in the day 24 and day 25 recordings respectively, in order to appease the overwhelming demand I've had for these cases. However, today I'm going to touch upon the case of R.V. Deer 1996, which you may have been taught. It just gets you to think about causation. I don't stress this case to my students, but it could boost your AO1, i.e. your knowledge and understanding. As you can see, there are issues presented with cases associated with the rules of causation, and some of these issues are presented in the case of R.V. Deer 1996. In R.V. Deer, the defendant attacked the victim with a Stanley knife, causing him multiple wounds. The defendant even severed an artery. The victim delayed seeking medical treatment and later went on to reopen his wounds, leading to greater blood loss. He died 2 days after the original attack. He died from blood loss, and the defendant was found guilty at trial of his murder, which the Court of Appeal upheld. The court held that the wounds were still the cause of the victim's death, as they were the substantial and operating cause, and so the jury were entitled to find the defendant guilty at trial. However, couldn't it possibly be seen as an intervening act that the victim opened his wounds up further, or by not seeking immediate medical attention? Couldn't these be seen as not reasonably foreseeable, and therefore lead to a break in the chain of causation? You can see that sometimes cases are decided on a case-by-case basis, or that there can be an outlier or an anomaly, basically a case that doesn't follow the pattern. That said, the victim did have an artery severed, so maybe the victim was at a high risk of death anyway. Let me know if I got anything wrong there though, guys, or if your teachers teach it differently, i.e. perhaps your teachers stress other features of that case. I've never covered it except for this recording. And that's it for today. Thank you from Law with Dunk, the Law Guy, and I'll see you tomorrow for an early release of Monday's recording, R.V. Tabison.